Come back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Doom the Dark Ages Revelation gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that you have to click on the Windows icon. After that click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, come back again, select disable Steam input, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If the issue continues, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. For that you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that you have to go to the search option. Now search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that you have to go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. You have to wait for it, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, click, and from here you have to remove your controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, again restart your PC, then go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update. Now click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. If not, next is to enter big picture mode. So after going to library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode. You have to select your game, and after selecting the game you have to click on the play button and then click on Steam option, then click on power and then select exit big picture mode. After that, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.